Let's learn how to unblock someone on Snapchat. If you want to unblock someone on Snapchat but don't know how, you don't have to struggle with it anymore. After watching this video, you will know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is open the Snapchat app. When you open Snapchat, you will be on the camera screen. From there, you need to click on your profile icon, which is located in the top left corner of the screen. Once you've clicked on the icon, it will take you to your profile page. Now you need to click on the settings option, which is located in the top right corner of the screen. When you click on that, a page with many options will open. On that page, you need to scroll down to the privacy controls section. Once you've scrolled down to that section, you will see several options, and you need to click on the blocked users option. When you click on that option, a page will open with the list of people you've blocked on Snapchat. On that page, you need to find the person you want to unblock. Once you've found that person, you need to click on the X next to their name. After clicking on the X, that's it. You have successfully unblocked the person on Snapchat. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.